Welcome to Regal Nigeria Limited, where we give you information about some agricultural organisms. Today we shall talk about sericulture. Sericulture or silk farming is the cultivation of silkworms to produce silk. Although there are several commercial species of silkworms, Bombyx mori, the caterpillar of the domestic silkmoth, is the most widely used and intensively studied silkworm. Sericulture has become an important cottage industry in countries such as Japan, China, India, Italy, France, and Spain. Today, China and India are the two main producers with more than 60% of the world's annual production. Advantage of sericulture. Sericulture is the only industry that gives a large number of job opportunities. So the process of sericulture is considered as tool for the economic reconstruction of rural areas. The sericulture farmers are categorized into several sections like reelers, weavers, cocoon growers, traders. Hence, most of the income which is generated from the sericulture will be going back to the villages. There are several sections involved in sericulture, which includes management of the mulberry gardens, harvesting of leaves, rearing the silkworm, weaving, which can be done by women. Approximately 58% of the employees in sericulture are women. Mulberry cultivation. Mulberry flourage is the only food for the silkworm, Bombyx mori, and is grown under varied climatic conditions ranging from temperature to tropical. Mulberry leaf is a major economic component in sericulture since the quality and quantity of leaf produced per unit area have a direct bearing on cocoon harvest. Mulberry is a fast-growing deciduous woody perennial plant. It has a deep root system. The leaves are simple, alternate, stipulate, petulate, or lobed. The number of lobes varies from 1 to 5 plants and are generally dioecious. The chief pollinating agent in mulberry is wind. Silkworm rearing. The rearing of silkworms to produce new raw silk is called sericulture. In this process, silkworms are reared at appropriate temperatures and humidity to get silk threads from cocoons. The silkworm are fed with mulberry leaves day and night, and it grows in size. Bamboo trays are used to keep these caterpillars, and some freshly chopped mulberry leaves are kept in the tray. After 30 to 40 days approximately, the caterpillars stop eating the leaves and then moves inside the small chambers in the bamboo trays to spin cocoons. These are produced by the secretion of liquid protein from the salivary glands. Small racks are given in the trays so that the cocoons get attached to those racks. Silkmoths are developed inside the cocoons. Processing silk from cocoons. These cocoons are used to obtain silk threads when the cocoons are exposed to the sun or steam or boiled. The silk fibre gets separated. This process of getting silk threads from the cocoons to use as a silk fabric is known as reeling of the silk. Reeling of the silk is carried out by special machines. These machines unwind the fibers of silk or threads from the cocoon. Silk fibers are then converted into silk thread to make different kinds of silk fabrics like silk snares, etc., by the weavers. The soaking is done so that the gum which holds the fiber will be loosened, so that the reeling will be easy. Then the entangling filament should be taken off and the silk can be reeled. Sericulture is a profitable enterprise to farmers, and it has proven as the best alternative with crop production, thereby doubling the farmer's income. For best utilization of resources available, sericulture should be considered as an alternative with crop production.